Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss about BODMAS rule. So what is BODMAS rule? We know that the four basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So the order of these operations is given by a rule called BODMAS. So according to this rule, we solve problem in the given order, that is B bracket O of or orders, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. So this is the order of operation. If you are getting a problem with mixed operation, so we have to go through this order. First you have to solve the numbers inside the bracket. Then inside the bracket also we should go through. First division is there, so all the four operations are there. In that inside the bracket also we should go through first whether division is there. You should do division first, then after simplifying then you have to come to multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So the last operation is subtraction. So we can go through how to. So in that again two more tips are there. If a problem has only addition and subtraction, then you have to move from left to right. From left to right you have to do the operation if only addition and subtraction in a problem. At the same time, if a problem has only multiplication and division, then in that case also you have to move from left to right. So we can solve some problems related to this BODMAS rule. So in the first question, after getting a question, first we should identify whether the problem consists of only two operations, that is addition and subtraction, or two operations, that is multiplication and division. So that is the step 1. Step 1 is to identify the question consists of only addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. So in the first question here it is given 4 plus 5 minus 7. So the two operations here it is 4 and plus and minus. Addition and subtraction are the two operations. So here 4 plus 5 minus 7, addition and subtraction are the two operations. So what is the definition I told here? If the problem has only addition and subtraction, move from left to right. So we can simplify from left to right. How can we simplify it from left to right? So first you have to add this 4 plus 5. When you are adding 4 plus 5, we will get what? 9 minus 7. Now 9 minus 7 is equal to what? 2. So the step 1 is identify which two operations are present, whether addition, subtraction or multiplication, division, which is present. Only those two operations are present in each problem. You have to go through. According to that you have to follow the rule. Now in the second question we can go through. Here the two operations present are multiplication and division are the two operations present. So if only multiplication and division, then we can do the operation or we can do the simplification from left to right. So first two numbers is 4 into 3. We should not go through that order. BODMAS rule, no need of going through. Directly we can do from left to right simplification. So 4 into 3 is 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 is equal to what? 2 over. Now in this next third question, here it is subtraction and multiplication. So we cannot follow that rule. Subtraction and multiplication is there, then you have to follow the rule. BODMAS rule you have to follow. So BODMAS rule is what? BODMAS rule, when you are following, first we should go through. Division is there or bracket is there. Yes, bracket is there. Inside the bracket first you have to simplify the bracket. Inside the bracket what is there? Subtraction is there. So first we should, here the subtraction is the last operation, but inside the bracket you have to simplify first. So bracket of, so inside the bracket what is there? 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2, while simplifying what you will get? 5. 5 into 5, that's equal to what? 25 over. Our third question also finished. Now question number 4. Here also bracket is there. In all the questions you have to check whether bracket is there or not. If bracket is there, first you have to simplify inside the bracket. So we can simplify the bracket. 10 minus 3 what? 7. And the remaining you have to write as it is. 14 have written it as it is and division sign is there. Simplification of inside the bracket numbers 10 minus 3 7. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to what? 2. Fourth question over. Now the next question is 9 minus 6 divided by 2. Here there is no bracket. If there is no bracket, what is our rule? We should go through our rule, BODMAS rule. So in BODMAS rule, what is the first operation? Division. We can check that whether division is there or not. Yes, division is there. So 6 divided by 2. What is 6 divided by 2? 6 divided by 2 is equal to what? 3. Then 9 you can write as it is and minus operation, subtraction operation. 9 minus 3 is equal to what? 6 is the answer. So we should follow this rule, BODMAS rule. Now in the next question also we have to identify the operation. Addition is there, subtraction is there and multiplication is there. So 3 operations are coming here. Therefore we have to follow the rule, BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule, what is given here? BODMAS rule. First you have to go through any bracket. There is no bracket inside in this question. And next you have to go through, is there any division? No division operation here. Next we should go through multiplication is there. Yes, multiplication is there. So 2 into 4 you have to multiply first. So after multiplying what you will get? 8 you will get. The remaining operation and numbers you have to write as it is. So 12 you have to write as it is plus 7 you should write as it is minus that multiplication we have done. In the next step, now you can see here addition and subtraction, 2 operations only there in this question. So left to right we can do the simplification. When you are simplifying 12 and 7 you will get what? 19 minus 8. 19 minus 8 is equal to what? 11 is the answer. So if you follow the same rules, all the 3 rules are one is BODMAS rule and only addition and subtraction there, from left to right simplification, multiplication and division there, then left to right simplification. If you follow the rule you will get the correct answer and you will not get any mistake in solving the problem. Next question we can go through here. Here bracket is there. So whenever you are having a bracket in the question, please simplify the bracket first. So 27 minus 3 is equal to what? 24. Then minus 4 into 4 is equal to what? 16. So 24 minus, because both are inside the bracket, so we should simplify and minus sign we have to write as it is. 24 minus 16 is equal to 88. 24 minus 16 is what? 8. Now next question. Question number 5. Here also bracket is there. So first we should simplify bracket. 12 minus 9 is equal to 9 plus 3 12. Remaining you should write as it is 5 into simplified 12 minus 9 3 plus 25. Now again we have to apply the BODMAS rule. In that multiplication first we should do. After doing multiplication we will get 5 into 3 15 plus 25. That's equal to 20, 10, 30, 40. Answer is what? 40. Now question number 9. 7 into 2 minus 10 divided by 5. Here also we have to use the BODMAS rule. The BODMAS rule is, so BODMAS rule, if you use, here it is, there is no bracket, then division, yes, division is there. We have to first do division because in this statement contains multiplication, subtraction and division, all the 3 operations. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to what? 2. Remaining you should write as it is 7 into 2 minus 2. Now the next one after division, what is there? Multiplication. Yes, multiplication is there. 7 into 2 what? 14. 14 minus 2, that's equal to what? 12. The answer is what? 12. Next here addition is there, multiplication is there, subtraction is there, 3 operations are there. If 3 operations are coming, then we should follow BODMAS rule here. Only 2 operations are there left to right, that is addition, subtraction, left to right we can do. Multiplication, division only means we can do left to right, but addition, multiplication, subtraction, everything it is coming in one statement, then we should follow that BODMAS rule. In that first we have to, there is no division but multiplication is there. 6 into 4, 24. The remaining numbers we can write as it is 9 plus 24 minus 11. Now addition and subtraction coming. So 9 plus 24 is equal to 33 minus 11. That's equal to 22. The next question is 3, a bracket is there, 3 plus 4 into 6. Inside the bracket here two operations are coming. One is addition and multiplication. So first we have to do multiplication. According to BODMAS rule, multiplication is there first because division not there. Therefore we should go to next multiplication. 6 4s are 24. 3 plus as it is you have to write. Then bracket removed. No, bracket again it is there. 3 plus 24 divided by 9. Now 3 plus 24 we have to do simplification because that's inside the bracket. 24 plus 3 is equal to 27 divided by 9. Now we can do division. 9 3s are 27. Therefore the answer is 3. Now the last question. Bracket simplification first we should do. In that addition multiplication is there. So first our work is to multiply. That is 9 plus 16. Again we have to put it inside the bracket. Write that minus. All the terms we have to write as it is. 100 minus 45 minus 16 plus 9. Again we should do this bracket. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. The remaining numbers as it is you have to write as it is. Now we can do left to right simplification. 100 minus 45 is equal to 55 minus 25. 55 minus 25 is equal to 30. So practice this type of questions, different types with bracket and without bracket. First, once more I will say, first step you have to identify whether only addition and subtraction or multiplication and division in the given statement question, question. If only addition and subtraction, you have to simplify from left to right, and multiplication and division also you have to simplify from left to right. Go through, if there is a bracket, then you have to go through bracket simplification. In bracket also you should follow the BODMAS rule. And afterwards you have to remove the bracket, and after simplifying all the numbers inside the bracket, then you have to simplify with the other numbers which is there in the question. So always if you follow this method, you will not make mistake in solving the problem. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.